Good Wednesday evening. I'm meteorologist Joseph Neubauer here from KOCO 5, and we have 4 straight alert days in a row, and it all kicks off tomorrow after about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. We've been clouded up for a couple days. We'll start cloudy tomorrow, but later tomorrow afternoon the clouds break, and there will be a chance for some storms to go up. We're under a 1 out of 5 risk. The way I would treat tomorrow is low coverage, but potentially high impact. We're going to have a pretty stout cap tomorrow, but if a storm or two literally can get up over the cap, they could rotate. We have a low-end tornado risk, but something I'm watching closely for tomorrow. And large hail up to the size of golf balls to baseballs may be possible. 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts too, but certainly the cap is the limiting factor. Just look at the rain chance tomorrow after 3, only a 20% chance. We'll be watching nonetheless. So as we look at impact, low on the tornado risk and relatively low for wind and for hail. Considering how isolated it is, but for the 1 or 2 supercells that could go up, we'll have to watch for that very large hail risk. So storms kind of go up, go down into the late evening and overnight hours. We'll get some storms that actually stick and stay up to the north, and those will roll down to the south and east. And we could get clipped with some storms late Thursday night, like around midnight here in OKC. And there will be a severe risk on that too. Maybe not quite as large for hail, quite as strong for wind, but we'll watch. So a few supercells being hinted at up in northern Oklahoma during the afternoon, and then everything kind of consolidates into the late evening and overnight. That pushes through northeastern and central Oklahoma with wind and hail risk there, and then winding down into the morning. And then we kind of do a reset with more severe risk on Friday, especially down in southeastern Oklahoma where the ingredients are still quite ripe. The wind has not turned with the cold front just yet. There is a tiny chance that the cold front that hits tomorrow comes in slow, so we'll keep a 1 out of 5 risk for central Oklahoma, but I'm not anticipating widespread severe weather tomorrow through most of the KOCO 5 viewing area. We get kind of a rest day. If an outflow boundary or two does mix in with the cold front, there could be a rotating storm or two, but again, this is a really low-end risk for OKC. You can see here on Predictor, a lot of the storms on Friday will stay far to the southeast so long as that cold front does move through. Then we kick into Saturday and Sunday, and these are the days where we have higher rain chances, higher ingredients for severe weather, a little bit less to worry about when it comes to a cap. So we have a 3 out of 5 risk, 2 out of 5 in south central Oklahoma. We'll probably have more widespread severe weather and severe storms that go up Saturday afternoon after 2 to 3 o'clock all the way through the evening, and then we do it again with the dry line on Sunday after 2, 3 o'clock. As it stands right now, a lot of the storms happen during the late PM hours. For the 5K, for the half, for the marathon, OKC Memorial Marathon, I think we're okay through the morning and early afternoon hours. But later hours after the races, we're going to have to watch closely for Saturday and Sunday. Very large hail, a higher tornado risk, and very strong winds. Impactful storms will be possible at times through the weekend. So stay with us here on KOCO 5. You get an updated timeline from meteorologist Jonathan Conder tomorrow. He's also live at 4:30 with a live weather update. Tune in.